Good evening, welcome back to Adriana Adventures, where I'm actually getting ready for an international trip with my toddlers. So I'm heading over to Europe by myself, and we are going to be backpacking. So I'm only taking a 36-liter backpack, and I'm going to try to fit as much of my stuff in that I can. For my toddler, he's going to have his jet bag, which is 18 liters. So his stuff is on this side, plus we have my baby stuff he has a mini backpack that I'll grab, and then I'm gonna fit the rest of my baby stuff into my bag. Carry-on's just easier because I'm doing a layover and we're heading out in an adventure van once we get into the Swiss Alps. So much easier just to have backpacks on our back, my hiking carrier, and yeah, it's gonna be a super exciting trip. I am gonna show you what my plan is for packing, and then I'm not sure, will typically video my packing, but I think I'll be showing this on Instagram a little more this time, and yeah, go over there and check it out. All right, I'm gonna start with my hiking pants over here. Then I've got a couple fleeces and just some winter jackets and layers and just some t-shirts. I'm gonna bring my beanie and my favorite hat that is gonna be for all seasons. My husband already took our rain gear because he is over in Europe and is meeting us there. And then like sports bra, undergarments, wool socks, super important. And then just casual camp clothes because we're gonna be camping when we're over there. And then I've got my toddlers, basically undergarments, base layers, t-shirts, fleeces, puffy jacket, hiking pants, and bibs. So I have a pile going on over here, and this is where I'm stacking my youngest. Okay, here's the whole spread of my two toddlers and what I'm bringing. So lots of fleeces, crew necks, puffies, base layers, gloves, swim shorts, hiking pants, beanie, need to find the other one, some briefs, and then I'm going to be fitting all of this in. Here we go. Here's the other beanie, or toque if you're from Canada, and they are going to be fitting into everything, these two bags, and then I have one wheel bag for the rest of the stuff. My plan is to stroller chuck the hiking carrier here, and then I just have this going under my seat. I'm going to tuck this bag into here, and then each boy is going to carry one bag, and then this is going to wheel with us because you're allowed personal items. So these bags are pretty small, so that'll be perfect. And then I just have my backpacking bag, which is only 36 liters, so it packs down.